everyone, welcome to your Dance Teacher Potential channel. We are here to tell you a few tips on how to teach the best Zoom class for you and for your students so you can enjoy it and your students can enjoy it. We are going to talk about consistency, connection, and crafts. We are being forced to be in our bedrooms and in our living rooms and in our kitchens teaching to our dance students, and our dance students are being forced to be in their kitchens and living rooms and bedrooms taking class from you. So what are we left with to connect with them and give the best class that we can so we can keep them dancing, and hopefully as soon as this is over they will all come back into the classroom. Lee, let's talk about the 3C's. What are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, absolutely. So consistency, keeping rituals maybe that you had in the classroom before, or maybe new ones that are fun through a screen. I think keeping that consistency is really good for younger dancers to have, because right now there is no consistency in their life really, except staying inside. So maybe you have a hello song or a goodbye song or a patty game that you play, or a question of the week when you take attendance or something to that effect. I think it's really great for them to have that consistency in your dance class.
So it's like we are bringing the classroom into the screen. So when in our dance teacher training program, we talk about how you create a new space, a special place in your classroom. And so now your classroom is on the screen. So creating those rituals, like Lee said, is like you're opening the doors to the special place, to that special space at this moment, which would be the screen. But it's a classroom one. It's not just some random video that they can play it at any point. It's like, oh, here we are, and we're starting our class now.
Right.
And then let's talk about connection.
Yes, connection. Making your new students and your old students feel special is really important, because they are missing a lot of human interaction right now. So I think it's really important to try and connect with them through a screen, which is incredibly difficult. So, you could tell them to show and tell, maybe have a show and tell week, or at the beginning of every class have them bring in their favorite stuffy or something to that effect. I think keeping that connection is what's going to keep those students coming back, because they're going to want to talk to you and tell you about their lives, because they can't do that to anyone really anymore, and you can be that special fun space for them, and their friends are there, and they can just have that special bonding time with everyone.
Yeah, absolutely. So you nailed it with them missing connection with interaction with human beings. They're not able to see their friends very much, or maybe at all, and other adults, and speak with them. So I think as dance teachers, sometimes we wanted to transition into the screen and teach our full classes, but that's not happening. And it is okay for them to, get on the screen. And normally now I was spending 5 to 10 minutes just talking with them. Hi, Maria, how are you? Are you stuck at home? Are you home? I can't believe, are you home? I'm home too, playing with them. And it's like, what was special today? What did you do that was special, or in the week, or things like that? And they want to talk, also I can see it very clearly with my son. He just wants to talk to his teachers and find time to talk to them, because they are not talking to other adults, and you are a special person in their lives. And so just opening the space for that little conversation and not worrying so much about the dance class. The dance class will happen, but as long as you keep the connection throughout this period of time, then they will stay with you and they will be happy and find that special place. And now crafts. What do we do with our crafts?
You've actually been really great with this, bringing the crafts into the classroom. You can find a prop that is used in a dance or a musical theater show and try to bring it into the classroom, whether that's bringing in a paper and having your students go get paper and just make paper fans and dance around with those fans that you made. Or
yeah, absolutely.
I can't think of anything else right now, but I think it's exciting for them to, you know, break up the dynamic of just, oh, I'm going away from the screen, I'm going to be dancing for the next 45 minutes. But oh, look, there's another toy over there that I could be playing with.
Yes.
I think it brings their attention, and it's exciting and fresh and fun for them. And it's something that we don't really get to do in the classroom. So I think it's also kind of fun for us to have this experience too.
Yes.
To be able to make these memories and these exciting things for them to do.
Yeah, absolutely. And, you know, when you're getting creative with a prop or an activity you want to bring into your classroom, just think about very simple things that they already have home. You can look them up online. You can look up crafts, like if you wanted to do a fan, or if you want them to sing, you can say, go get a spoon. Like, they might not need to make anything and come back and use it as your microphone or anything like that. You know, it's things that they already have fun. Get creative and break up that class. And so in our dance teacher training program, we have many examples of how to get creative, and specific examples that you can use in your classroom. So if you're still stuck and wondering, what is it that I can do? How can I get creative? What types of exercise can we be using? You know, you can come and we will help you find that creativity through the screen. It will show you specific exercises. And we talk a lot about how we're breaking up our classes to make them more exciting for them. So we would love to see you there. If you would like to sign up, you can reach out to us. And if not, you can continue to listen to our tips every week.
Yep, they'll be coming at you every week. So make sure you like and subscribe to see more from us. We are so excited to be able to bring this to you and to help you out, because we know this is an incredibly difficult time, reinventing the wheel for teaching dance. And we're here for you.
Wonderful. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you so much.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye.